To swap Phantom Wallet, create wallet. Follow these steps. First, ensure you have the Phantom Wallet extension installed on your browser. If not, download and install it from the official Phantom Wallet website. Next, launch the Phantom Wallet extension and click on the Create New Wallet button. You will be prompted to create a password and confirm it. Choose a strong and unique password, and make sure to store it securely. After creating your password, you will be given a recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial in recovering your wallet in case you lose access to it. Write down the phrase and store it in a safe place, such as a secure note-taking app or a hardware wallet. Once you have created your wallet, you can swap your Phantom Wallet by going to the Settings menu and clicking on the Advanced tab. From there, you can select the wallet you want to swap with and follow the on-screen instructions. When swapping wallets, make sure to carefully review the transaction details, including the amount, recipient address, and fees. Double-check that the information is correct before confirming the transaction. It is also essential to keep your Phantom Wallet up to date, as updates often include security patches and new features. To update your wallet, simply click on the Update button when prompted, and follow the on-screen instructions. Best practices for swapping Phantom Wallet. Create wallet include using a strong and unique password, storing your recovery phrase securely, and carefully reviewing transaction details. Additionally, make sure to use a reputable and trusted wallet provider, and never share your wallet information with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and easily swap your Phantom Wallet. Create wallet. Remember to always prioritize security and take the necessary precautions to protect your wallet and its contents.